If I was a rich man, you all know the song. If I was a rich man, I would do, I could do. But my friends, what does it mean to be wealthy? Our sages teach us, "En ani ve'ashir ela beda'at." Wealth is not measured by what you have in your bank account. Wealth is measured by your knowledge, your connection to God. Once you're connected to your essence at that moment, you're the wealthiest person. You can do whatever you want. Actually, when Shlomo HaMelech, King Solomon, became king, God told him, "What do you want? Do you want wealth or knowledge?" And he said, "Knowledge." And God told him, "Because you asked for knowledge, I'm going to give you wealth and knowledge." Which means that wealth without knowledge is nothing. A person can have millions of dollars and be in his bed depressed all day because there's no meaning to his life. Once you start giving meaning to your life, you connect above, you connect inwards. At that moment, you are the true wealthy person.